Crafty Classroom. Today I have a little haul. I did a little shopping, not much, but I did do a little. Also, I just want to say thank you so much to everybody for supporting my channel. I am having a great time. I love summertime where I get to make all these videos and be in my craft room way more than when school starts in a few weeks when I go back to work. But anyway, let me get into the haul. I went to Walmart just for a couple things. I went to Harbor Freight. I went to Michael's, and I also have a Temu haul, which I don't even remember what I bought from Temu. So let me just start from Walmart. I like these page protectors. They are the heavyweight ones. When I have a collection, I put my scraps in here and keep them together. And I had ran out, so I bought those. Then walking by their jewelry department, I found these on clearance. This is a chain. It's called an oval chain, but it looks like it's an oval. I don't know what to call it, but it was like $2 and something. And the same thing with these charms. They were only $2 and something. So I was like, oh, these are so cute. So I've been wanting to make jewelry, some charm bracelets and stuff. So I thought that was perfect. Then at Harbor Freight, I bought two more of these. I don't know if anybody else has bought these. These are great for the beads and the charms. They open up and they have 24 of these little containers. They're perfect for your beads and your jump rings and all that stuff. So I bought two more of those today. And then I went to Michael's because I keep seeing people here on YouTube saying that they have a bunch of stuff on clearance. They did. So I found out cleaning my craft room this week that I have very little 12 by 12 cardstock. Very little. Like, there's not enough to do an album, a mini album, out of 12 by 12. So they had this one, linen textured cardstock in the jewel tones. This was $7. I was like, oh my gosh, 60 pieces of paper. I think it was normally $20. So that's amazing. I love the colors. I think I could do something great with those. So that was the one I bought. And then I also bought this one on clearance. Same deal. It's called Lipstick. 65 pounds, 60 sheets, 65 pounds. I say that right? $7 as well. Like, this is a big chunk of paper for $7. I was like, yes, please. Please and thank you. I also bought this. This was on clearance for $5, and it's removable adhesive vinyl from Oracle. I want to label my drawers, and I thought a removable vinyl would be really good, but this was only $5. I was like, yes, and it's the good stuff. Oracle, nice. All right, then let me get out of the bag because they're heavy. I found this one for free, $3. It's 36 sheets. I can't talk all of a sudden. 65 pound, and it has the gold, and then it has the solid colors. Like, I thought that was really interesting. So it has, and it's called Paper Flowers. I've never seen this one there, and I thought, oh, that's perfect colors. I love it, and it even gives you a little gold. So okay, I'll take it. This one is a repeat buy, but it was on clearance for $3. The Summer Days, I've made several albums out of this one before. 50 sheets for $3. Like, come on, you can't. Then I found this Mamba Jamba, big one, 110 pound, 100 sheets in four different blues, four different blues, $7. I was like, you've got to be kidding me for 110 pound, 100 sheets. I was like, yes, yes, and yes. I would have bought way more of these if they would have had more in different colors. I should go to another one. That's what I should do. I don't know. And then their regular paper was, their cardstock was buy one, get one half off. So with the 4th of July ones that I just did, I was almost out of Midnight Navy. I have like 2 or 3 sheets left. So I was like, perfect. And then I just got some white. I do not care for their black. Just so you know, I think it rips and it when it creases, it cracks. It's just not good. 65 pound, 25 sheets. So I bought these two. They were buy one, get one half off. And I think they were $6. So not a horrible deal. I mean, not the best deal, but not the worst. And I was like, okay, we could do this. All right. I don't know. Maybe I need to go to another Michael's. Thinking about it. No, I haven't even opened this. This is my emu haul. It came a few days ago, and I haven't opened it. There I go. I'm opening it right now. Um, my name is on the other side. So we're opening it. It's upside down. Okay. It came actually 4th of July, which I was really shocked that they delivered on 4th of July. I was like, we didn't get mail. So I'm just going to reach in here and grab. Oh, these are so cute. Black and white bows already made in the check. I'm loving those. Those are makes life so much easier. What are these? I do not remember these. I do not remember buying these. They're little bags that have a seam. I need to check my order because I don't know if I bought these. Keep, keep, smile, love your life. Good luck, my friend. I did not buy these, so we are going to contact Timu about that. I would have never have bought those. So maybe they sent me these on accident, but I will check on my order when I'm done here. Interesting. These ones I did buy because when I put things together for a class or something, I like little Ziploc baggies, and these were really cute and they were inexpensive. Those are really little, but when you do charms and stuff like that, they work out really well, and it opens up right there. Perfect. Those are perfect. I like those. These were really inexpensive. Well, Timu is very expensive, so. Oh, so cute. Look at the little gingerbread charms. So cute. There's quite a few in here. So I did buy those. Okay. I know I bought some random stuff. Oh, this is some random stuff. These are stickers. They are vintage, like cooking type stickers. I want to work on, I want to open it. It's so cute. I want to work on a couple recipe books. So these are stickers. How cute are these? Are they stickers or they're just paper? They're just paper, but they're really cute. All right. I think those will be really cute in a recipe album of some sort. I think I got some recipe cards too. I did buy ribbon because it's so much cheaper when you need it for 10 people. Oh, that's a pretty one. It is a really bright red. In the camera, it looks more orangey, but it is like a vibrant red. It's perfect. And there was quite a bit on here. I don't know how much, but it was quite a bit. But it saves me so much money buying it from Temu. Then this is the off-white organza ribbon. My order is coming back to me now. Oh, this is good. I like a good organza ribbon. I think they're really good for closures, like on that book I just, yeah. Like for this, I think they give a book a lot of character having organza ribbon. So there's that one. Oh, I bought the little bows in red check. That's perfect for a recipe album too. Let's see. Oh, I think these are stickers. These are the vintage food stickers, I think. A lot of crinkling. I apologize. Oh, these are cute. And are these stickers? Yeah, these are the stickers. How cute. Oh, yeah, these are adorable. Look at that French fry. Cheez-Its. Oh, these are so cute. These are perfect. Perfect, perfect. And there's a lot. Do you see all that? A lot of those. I bought some more ribbon. This one and the red, I'm already thinking Christmas time. But look at how pretty that is. It's a satin, green satin with a gold edging. All right. I did good in the ribbon. All right. What else is in here? Oh, I see recipe cards. I got two different kinds of recipe cards. Cute. To add to my recipe books. I think that's what's going to be next pretty soon here. They're a little thin, but I think they're cute. I like the fact that they're double-sided. Nice. Let's see if the other ones, they were really inexpensive, but I think they're really cute. Let's see. I think these ones, they feel the same. Says ingredients, directions, and more directions on the back. I like that there's lots of places to write. And two more things. Oh, I saw this. This is so cute. Look at this ribbon. Looks like measuring tape. And I was like, oh, that is so adorable. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh, I'm so glad I got that one. And then this one is also for the recipe album. I don't really know what I'm doing yet. I have to think of what I'm doing, but it's in my brain. I need to get it out on paper. But these are little sheets of paper that you can fold in half and make a journal out of if you wanted to. But look at how cute. They're like little hutches and stoves. I need some paper. So cute though. These are adorable. There's only like 6 of them. I'm pretty sure they were inexpensive. All right, and that's it out of my Temu haul. I hope you guys liked everything. My Temu, Michael's, Harbor Freight, and Walmart. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. But I didn't spend a lot of money. Everything was either on sale, clearance, or something I really needed, like those page protectors from Walmart. It wasn't a ton. So I'm okay with it. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. Once again, I really, really appreciate you guys supporting my little channel here. If there's ever anything you want to see me make or me do, or my craft room, I've already done one video, but I've been super, super busy. Oh, there's one more thing I bought on Amazon. I'm just going to show you the paper out of it. It's so big. I'll show you one. I did buy these. They do scrapbook paper storage system. They're these really nice pockets, and they hold your 12 by 12 paper. And I have put all of my collections in them and organized them by type. And I had my 15-year-old son help me. It was pretty funny. Gave him something to do. He also put all my cardstock in rainbow order for me. He's a great little kid. Anyway, I did buy this as well. And they're awesome. I like the quality. They feel great. They're nice and dirty. So these ones I did buy on Amazon. All right, now that's it. So thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay cool if it's really hot. Have a good one. Bye.